How to install PerfectPrep app. So just tap get and then you will be able to get it. Daily college test practice. So yeah, pretty handy app. Practice for the SAT and ACT. And it's very convenient to use it on your fingertips on your mobile, so you don't need to bring your laptop with you everywhere. So in case you're like commuting, you are traveling, you're in your sometimes in the metro, whatever, you can just quickly refresh some of your knowledge and track your progress and practice for the ICT and set anywhere, anytime, and achieve your highest score. It's everything you need to study for the standardized test all in one app. Getting ready for the most crucial exams couldn't be easier. You can now study and practice at your own pace without stress and pressure and achieve great results. Personalized study plan, practice test, practice exam, correct answers, flashcards, knowledge base, video lessons, FAQ, score prediction. So it's quite an advanced app. It doesn't have that many ratings though, but here you just need to select which training you need, and then pick a subject to start your prep: writing, language, math, or reading. So for example, and then then you can just continue with the free trial, 3-day free trial. Then only like $9.99 per month. You can also set up some notifications, and then basically that's how you. This is just like a freemium version. You can get some analytics. You can learn, and then, for example, this is the questions, and then you will see answer options, and then you see in the bottom you set up confidence, how confident you. Then you can skip questions, and then you can just answer it up, and that's basically the idea how you can proceed with it. So yeah, that's what it is. Then you have your study plan. From here, then you have a library. Then you have your profile, and then so you can also prepare with a lot of lessons, videos, Spark notes. Then there's like a study plan, practice. So yeah, try it out. It's pretty cool app and nicely designed, very easy to start. However, if you want to access the full curriculum, you will need to upgrade.